G'day, Paul and Kyle here from OEM Audio. Today we're showing you a Volkswagen Golf Mark 7 with what looks to be an ordinary factory radio in it, and essentially it is. However, we have added wireless Apple CarPlay into it simply by holding down this button here. 3 seconds, we have wireless CarPlay, so you can access, prove it's wireless. Here's my phone, we'll open up our podcasts, and you'll see it's the normal podcast I listen to. There's all cricket ones, EV News Daily, the EV podcast. It's all same stuff that's on my phone. You can access everything normally. Obviously you can go through and find Spotify, and you can discover everything you like there. Is all through there, all matches up, so you don't need to hold your phone, you don't even need to plug it in, you can leave it in your pocket and you've got wireless CarPlay. It just makes it a lot easier, because CarPlay is one of the coolest things out for an Apple user. It's very good. You can just get it all going there. You can use your, Spotify picks up some fairly random stuff, doesn't it? You can do it all. You can see your maps, your Google Maps, Apple Maps, anything you download, Waze. It's all in there. So we've got these units available for the Mark 7 Golf. Gives you wireless CarPlay, and it gives you Android Auto, we must point out. All your things, your voice control, it all works. Bluetooth calls, the sound's fantastic. It's just really good stuff. So you can come and buy one from us in Coleridge Street in Sydenham, Christchurch, or online at omaudio.co.nz. Give us a call on 0508 636 283.